And Midland's Binman has been telling ITV News how he fulfilled a special pledge to an elderly lady on his round. Ben Bird promised Dorothy Ballard, also known as Mercy, he would bring her a cake if she reached her 100th birthday. When he duly did, she told him they were the best of friends from now on. Ben Chapman reports.
Ben Bird's day job normally involves taking things away, but this was an occasion that called for a delivery of cake and kindness.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
A serenade by the Binmen to mark Mercy's 100th birthday.
It was just wonderful, you know. It's very often a young lad will bother about old people, you know, and I just think it's wonderful.
But in fact, Ben's been dropping in on Mercy for years. What began as a friendly chat on Bin Day became a friendship.
I walk up the path in the morning down on a Thursday. The door's always open, cracked open about a foot, isn't it? And I'll just say, where's my favourite? And it just makes you laugh straight away, and then we have a little chat. She's my best friend. Oh, Mercy, aren't you?
He said, am I your best friend? He said, I said, you might as well be.
I hope so.
Yeah, of course you are, my son.
And like any friendship, there's a fair amount of banter, like when Ben asked her to blow out the candles.
Make a wish. To live to 105.
Is she always like that?
Yeah, she's always like this.
Yeah,
she always,
and when he's going off,
she always tells me off. I think you will be here in 5 years' time, hopefully. We can, you know.
Well, it's hopefully for you, but I've had enough, and I at 100.
Really? Surely not.
Oh, God's truth. One down, you devil.
When Ben brought cake, he also brought fame. The video of his gestures now been seen millions of times, but neither will last as long as this unlikely bond. Ben Chapman, ITV News, Kidderminster.
Well, happy birthday, Mercy.